हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन मैथ्स क्लास। इस वीडियो में हम डिफरेंशिएशन टॉपिक मैथ्स पेपर 2 ऑफ 12th स्टैंडर्ड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इन दिस वीडियो. So before going to start, we are going to revise some basic concept which we have already studied in 11th standard. 11th standard में हमने डिफरेंशिएशन का डेफिनेशन पढ़ा था और कुछ बेसिक फॉर्मूले दैट इज differentiation of standard functions that we have studied formulae. So we are going to revise that all formulae in this video. So differentiation, let's start differentiation, that is how we define derivative of the function. So derivative of the function we define as y is equal to f of x is a function. We define derivative of fx with respect to x as limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx. We have seen this definition in 11th standard upon h. If this limit exists, then this limit is called, if this limit exists, then this limit is called derivative of fx, and it is denoted by what? F dash of x. We denote it by f dash of x. That means f dash of x, that is derivative of function with respect to x, is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx upon h. As we have this definition, limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx upon h, that is equal to what? F dash of x. Here this is what? Derivative of the function with respect to x. Now derivative of the function at x is equal to a. This is what? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx upon h. Then derivative of the function at x is equal to a is what? F dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Now this limit is called derivative of the function fx at x is equal to a. This is what? Derivative of the function at point x is equal to a. So f dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Then another definition is y is equal to f of x is differentiable function. Here y is equal to f of x, delta x is small increment in x, delta y is corresponding increment in y, then this delta y upon delta x, it is a ratio of two increments, that is incrementary ratio, and if limit delta x tends to 0 delta y upon delta x, if this limit exists, then it is called derivative of y with respect to x, and we write it as dy by dx. Now furthermore, dy by dx, see y is equal to f of x. So furthermore, dy by dx is equal to what? F dash of x. So dy by dx is equal to what? F dash of x. So this is what a short revision of 11th standard derivative. Now here see dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Now derivative of some standard functions. See here, derivative of standard function, derivative of the constant function is equal to what? 0. Derivative of constant d dx of constant, that is equal to 0. So derivative of constant function is equal to what? 0. Here derivative of c is equal to 0. Then derivative of x raised to power n is equal to n into x raised to power n minus 1. N into x raised to power n minus 1. For example, here derivative of x raised to power 5 will be 5 into x raised to power 5 minus 1, that is 4. Derivative of root x. Root x means what? X raised to power 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 into x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 2. And thus we can write it as 1 upon, here x raised to power minus 1 by 2, it is 1 upon root x. So 1 by 2 root x, derivative of root x, 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of exponential function, that is e raised to power x. Derivative of e raised to power x is equal to e raised to power x. Derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log a. For example, derivative of 2 raised to power x, that will be 2 raised to power x into log 2. Then derivative of log x, that is equal to 1 upon x. Derivative of log x to the base a is equal to, here derivative of log x base a is equal to 1 upon x log a. Derivative of e raised to power x, derivative of a raised to power x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, derivative of x to the base a is 1 upon x log a. Further, derivative of trigonometric functions. Derivative of trigonometric functions, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is sec square x, derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, minus cosec square x, derivative of sec x is equal to, derivative of sec x is equal to sec x tan x, derivative of cosec x, derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Here derivative of these 6 trigonometric functions, that is sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x and cot x. Here you will observe that derivative of trigonometric function which is starting from c is negative. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec into cot x, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. So this is what derivative of, this is formula for derivative of standard functions. Derivative of standard functions. So derivative of x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Exponential functions, logarithmic function, trigonometric functions. So this is what a short revision of 11th standard formulae. Further, in this, here in 12th standard we are going to start with derivative of composite functions. Derivative of composite functions. Derivative of composite functions. So what are these composite functions? See here, sin x, we have sine x. This is what standard function, simple standard function. But sine of root x, this is what composite function. Again, example of composite function, log x is standard function, standard simple standard functions, but here log of x plus 5. Now this becomes composite function. So we are interested to find the derivative of composite functions. So for that we have this theorem. What is this theorem? Y is equal to f of u is differentiable function of u. U is equal to g of x is differentiable function of x, and the composite function y is equal to f of g of x. This is differentiable function of x. Then dy by dx is equal to, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is a theorem. So proof of this theorem is very important for exam point of view. So we will discuss this proof of theorem in the next video. So we will do exercise on this theorem. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Now we will do exercise 1.1. This is based on derivative of composite function. So we have this theorem. Theorem क्या है? Derivative of y with respect to x. That is y is equal to f of c, or function y is equal to f of g of x. So derivative is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So exercise 1.1. The first question here, fx, see y is equal to what? Y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. So we can remember this formula, derivative of, ये formula आप याद रख सकते हैं, derivative of fx raised to power n is equal to n fx raised to power n minus 1 into f dash of x into f dash of x. That means we will consider this as u. So it is y is equal to u raised to power n, and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by du into du by dx, or n fx n minus 1 into f dash of x. What is our n here? N is 5, and this is what? U. So let's solve this. Y is equal to, here first sub question, y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 5, derivative we are differentiating with respect to x. dy by du dx is equal to dy by du. See, this is what u. So it is u raised to power 5 say. So it will be 5 into u raised to power 4. So what is our u? Let's write u raised to power 4 into du by dx. This is 5 into u is what? X cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 4, and du by dx means d dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1. Then it will be 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 4. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of 2x is minus 2 and derivative of constant is 0. So thus we are getting this answer. Next question, let's do this derivative of, see here, remember this formula, derivative of root fx is equal to 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x. So we remember this formula, derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x. So let's solve this example. Y is equal to, see here, second example, y is equal to root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Let us take this as what u, this is what u. Then we have y is equal to root of u. Derivative dy by dx is equal to dy by du. That is dy by du is 1 upon 2 root u into du by dx into what? Du by dx. Here dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root u, that is 2 root of u. U is what? X square plus 4x minus 7 into du by dx, that is d dx of this derivative of u. What is our u? Here u is this x square plus 4x minus 7, x square plus 4x minus 7. This derivative will be 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 4x minus 7 into this derivative is 2x plus derivative of this 4x is 4 and constant is 0. So we can cancel this 2. ये 2 हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. So that our answer is what? dy by dx is equal to here x plus 2 upon root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Next question is here this second question. We'll do now second question. Here we'll do second question. Y is equal to x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 3 into x raised to power 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to power 5 by 2. 2x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 3x to the power 4 by 3 and minus 5 raised to power whole raised to power 5 by 2 is fx raised to power n or u raised to power n. This is what n and here it is u. So differentiating with respect to x will get dy by dx is equal to see 5 by 2 u raised to power 5 by 2 minus 1. So 5 by 2 minus 1 will be 3 by 2 into du by dx into du by dx. Then we will differentiate it. dy by dx is equal to 5 upon 2 u raised to power, or u is this, see here u is 2x to the power 3 by 2 minus 3 into x raised to power 4 by 5 minus 5, and whole raised to power how much? Raised to power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into derivative of u is derivative of 2x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to power 4 by 5, 4 by 3 it is, sorry, 4 by 3 minus 5. It is 5 by 2 into 2x raised to power 3 by 2, 3x raised to power 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2 into, here this derivative will be what? 2 into 3 by 2 x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 4 by 3 x raised to power 4 by 3 minus 1, that is 1 by 3, and derivative of constant is 0. Now let's cancel this. This 2 is cancelled, here 3 is cancelled, and finally you will be getting here dy by dx is equal to 5 by 2 into 2x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 3 into x raised to power 4 by 3 minus 5 whole raised to power 3 by 2 into this 3 root x minus 4 x raised to power 1 by 3. Yes, here the answer is complete. Now from this exercise, see from question number 1, we did first 3 questions in this video. Let's continue the same question, that is same exercise, in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.